Saw your question in the email. It's just like the last one. Find the function value around the 4 decimals. I guess it's a little less accurate than the last one. So you want to do tangent of 50 degrees 6 minutes. Now again, with your calculator, may be a little different, and your calculator may be able to type minutes in it. More than likely, you can. And if you're interested in that, just put the name of your calculator in and Google how to do it. I'm just going to show you an alternative way. So we got 50 degrees in 6 minutes. I'm going to convert the minutes to degrees. It's just like converting minutes to hours. If you take the 6 minutes and divide it by 60, that converts it to degrees. And 6 over 60, I believe that's 0.1. So 50 degrees in 6 minutes is the same as 56.1 degrees. So with this calculator, you want to do the tangent. So you hit the tangent button, you type in your, make sure you're in degree mode. You type in that, and then you hit enter. And I'll let you do that so that you'll practice finding the answer. Hope this helps.